Hello everyone, you are watching Teen Knowledge channel, and in this video we are going to fix mobile data or network not working or not showing issue in Samsung Galaxy M02 or M02s. So before starting this video, if you are in this channel, just don't forget to subscribe and let's start a video without wasting any time. So to fix mobile data or network not working issue, first of all you just need to go to settings and then follow the step as I'm showing you in this video.